Welcome to join this session about the complete mill concept by Raute. My name is Jari Myyryläinen and I am the Vice President of Sales in Europe, Middle East and Africa region. In this session, we will cover the complete mill concept, your benefits with the single supplier model, and Raute's approach in complete mills. So, let's focus first to the complete mill concept and what is it all about. A complete mill is more than a collection of separate production lines under the same roof. It is a carefully engineered production engine, where the lugs go in from one end of the mill and the finished products come out from the other end of the mill. And everything in between is designed to work together seamlessly. A complete mill is always tailored to your needs, considering your available raw material, your desired end products, the needed production capacity, quality requirements for the end products, not forgetting your desired level of automation. Now, it can be a small mill, or it can be a huge mill, but it is always designed with the optimization of the end-to-end process as the leading principle. When the complete mill is designed for you, the line capacities are balanced. Thus, your investment money is optimally used. You do not over-invest into too big machines and under-invest, creating production bottlenecks. The safety inside and around the mill is the first priority. It should be never compromised. The layout of the mill is designed so that it allows safe movement inside the mill and around the production machinery where necessary. The material flow inside the mill is optimized, avoiding risks of interference between the machines, operators, and the raw material at any phases of the production process. The material flow is controlled automatically, and the target is to avoid all unnecessary stacking and storing of unfinished products during the process. The production efficiency improvement does not only mean the optimization of the capacity and the throughput of the machines. It means also removing unnecessary manual steps, improving the material flow inside the mill, cutting all the slack and unnecessary waiting times, and many other things in the process. When the production machines are designed to work together as one continuous process, it also becomes a lot easier to focus on improving the energy efficiency and the sustainability of the mill. We can, for example, use the excess energy from one process phase as the source energy in another process phase, and thus we can reduce the carbon footprint of a complete mill. A complete mill also includes the data collection from all production phases, and this enables the production management to identify any potential anomalies and any unexpected production errors which are resulting the costly downtime and production loss. The further process optimization is possible using modern data analytics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. All this for your benefit. One very important element in the design of a complete mill is the lifecycle services for the machinery. The machines themselves and the connected data analytics are requesting the correct amount of maintenance at the right time. This guarantees also the long-lasting performance of a mill during years to come. Okay then, let's look into some of the benefits that you will get as a customer if you choose Raute as your supplier and partner for your complete mill. Let's talk about a single supplier model. Now, building a new mill is a very complex project. Using a single supplier model to design, manufacture, and deliver the production machinery brings several benefits to the customer. Here are some of them. First, with the single supplier model, you would need one contract party, which means cutting down the number of separate contracts and discussion partners, and that increases the efficiency in the procurement and also efficiency during project execution phases. With the single supplier model, you also have one responsible contact interface in any questions, which means that the communication is much more efficient throughout the whole project. This also offers you a possibility to streamline your own project organization. With a single supplier model, it's very much easier for the people around the project to get to know each other. And that also improves drastically the information flow during and after the project. A single supplier offers also high quality standard and a continuous quality chain from machine to machine inside the mill. All machines are executed, engineered, delivered according to same quality principles. And also the same safety and component standards are applied in the complete factory, which means that there's a possibility to combine the spare part inventories and create savings in the inventory value. Also, the control systems are similar. Similar programming logic, similar control logic. That increases the possibility to have similar approach and logic in the HMI panels and other user interfaces. And also the documentation is similar throughout the whole mill. Now that again helps us to train the operators, and it also enables the job rotation during the production phase, because all user interfaces work, look, act similarly. Single supplier model also helps us to optimize the installation crew. No more separate teams, everybody is one team. We have also the possibility to connect the machines together and use the data analytics and machine learning to further improve the production efficiency, quality, and raw material utilization. And that enables us to combine the production reporting from various machines. The single supplier model also introduces a single source for maintenance support, problem solving, spare part availability, upgrades, modernizations, and all that which is needed to guarantee the lifecycle support of the whole mill. Now, let's discuss how Raute sees the concept of a complete mill. Raute has a history of more than 90 years in the veneer and plywood industry. So we can say that we know the market. We know the raw material, we know the production processes, and we have great references about mill-size project for veneer, plywood, and LVL around the world. So through this vast experience within the industry, we can be and we want to be your trusted partner from the very early planning phase of your investment all the way to the commissioning of the machinery, ramping up your production, and supporting your production machines with our lifecycle support. When designing a complete mill, our target is to optimize the safety, the material flow, the quality, production efficiency, raw material utilization, the process control, data collection, emissions, energy consumption, and other value-adding elements for your benefit. Our continuous R&D by Raute, which is available, for example, as upgrades to the existing machinery, guarantees that we keep your machinery competitive through the full life cycle of the machinery. Now, during the past years, Raute has invested significantly in developing digital services, which are of course incorporated into our complete mill offering. Our machines and our analyzers are connected together, helping you to get the most out of your raw material. But it's not only that. Through the data analytics, we can deliver you fact-based analysis from your own production to support your decision-making in real time. We are also using machine learning to support the best possible utilization of your raw material. And we are also implementing robots to eliminate the repetitive or the most dangerous work phases from the process. And we do all this to bring more efficiency, reliability, and consistency into your production processes. Now, this is also our vision for the future. We believe in digitalization, integrated production lines, and the real-time data. We want to promote the transformation of the veneer, plywood, and LVL production to a centrally controlled production process. A process where the role of an operator is evolving from a manual worker to a production process specialist, with the primary focus to keep your production process running flawlessly at all times. We want to combine all this for your benefit and to help you to get the best possible return on your investment.